Yeah, I'm recording. What do you think I'm doing? What? Okay guys, welcome back to another video where today we are going to be looking at my car, yeah, the 25 miles per hour one that I got for Christmas. But my dad unfortunately crashed it in straight bang into a wall at 25 miles per hour. Not very surprisingly, because he always does stuff like that.
Wait.
Dad. Do
Wait.
the dab.
Ready?
Do the dab. No! Okay, so what we will be doing is looking at this car, which I'm going to show you in 3, 2, 1. This Omega. God, look at those metal wheels. And guess how fast it goes?
10 miles an hour.
Way faster.
15.
Faster?
20.
Faster?
25.
Faster?
30.
A little bit faster.
32.
A little bit faster.
33.
Yes.
33 miles an hour?
Yes.
That's amazing. Whoa, look at that.
Okay, this is the cover for it. Okay.
Nice.
And also we're going to be doing a little card trick today. Okay, this is the first time.
Warn me, because that was powerful.
Okay, this is the first time we've ever pulled this.
Do the steering, check the steering. Whoa.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Whoa. Rear wheel drive. Whoa.
Now backwards, can it go backwards?
Whoa. Okay, right, can you switch the transmitter off, please? That check proves it's working.
Can I just go right?
Spin.
Okay, we're just going to get fixed up and maybe we'll try it in the back garden in a minute. So we're going to 3, 2, 1. And by the way, if you haven't seen the mic control, that's actually pretty cool. And so this is to go forward as always, but you can go backwards by doing that. So that's quite cool as well. 3, 2, 1. My dad is just trying to get all the things working. So we're going to see if my dad can blog. If you
I can blog?
Yeah, just like...
Talk?
No, like do this and then just go along talking about your life and what you've been doing. 3, 2, 1. Oh wait, that didn't work. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
Okay, so it's on. My dad's going to blog, okay? So he's going to walk around and stuff and...
Apparently you just say stuff about your life, but I haven't got much of a life, so I haven't got much to say, really.
Okay.
So this is apparently... Now, I terribly, sadly broke Finn's new remote control car, smashed it into a wall doing 25 miles an hour. Not a lot left of it, unfortunately. Smashed the chassis all into small pieces, and I have never been the same since. This happened last Sunday, and I've been devastated all this week. I haven't been able to sleep or anything. So I've come up with a plan. I then looked online to see if they had any more, and incredibly they'd sold out of the car that Finn had. So we bought a new one. Yes, I know. He is very lucky, and I'm a great person. I know, thank you. So this is the new car. 3, 2, 1, voila. No, that's Finn, but that's the car.
It's actually really big. Look, it's bigger than my face.
It's bigger than your head, which is big.
Look, wait. Okay, you're going to compare it to my chest, my dad's chest, so stand up towards the camera. He's quite big and is really big.
My God, that is big. And the car is too.
Okay. And look at me. It literally can't fit. Like, it just squeezes on. It's going down. Anyway, Dad, are we doing in the car? Are you doing the car?
We're going to give it a test run. A test run. A test run.
We're doing a test run.
Outside.
Okay. Outside, yeah.
So,
We have lights.
Pause it.
Okay, we're going to just pause it.
Bye.
My dad's butts.
See you in a minute.
3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Unfortunately, the camera won't pick up, so maybe we have to do it without you, but still, we will tell you if it was good or not if it gets broken again. Okay? It might be me or my dad. Probably my dad, but if he doesn't touch the remote, it's all me. So 3, 2, 1. But we're gonna try, so...
Do it in here.
Yeah.
Just carefully in here.
In here.
In here.
Okay, Dad, can you record? Wait, I'll say that, I'll say that.
I'll hold it and record it.
3, 2, 1. Okay, my dad's gonna hold it and record it. So, yes.
Here we go.
Okay, where's the remote?
I don't know, you have it.
Okay. Oh my god, I didn't touch it.
Here you are.
Look, you can see how much the remote literally just goes.
Hang on. Oh.
Oh my gosh. What is so that is not even picking it up. It's not even picking it up. Then put it down more. There we go. Yeah, put it on the ground, yeah.
Back it up. You just really...
Yeah, you can see how... And imagine full throttle. I'm so scared! Are you guys, I can't believe how scared I am. Pull the camera up a bit so you can... I can't believe how scared I am. Look. It's so fast. Oh my god.
Bring it
I'm
back.
so scared! Oh my, I just don't want to like...
Tomorrow morning.
Okay.
The big demonstration will be tomorrow morning
In Abington Park.
in Abington Park. Probably on a tennis court. You weren't expecting that, were you?
You weren't expecting that. Well, okay, stay tuned for next time on Abington Park. 3, 2, 1. Okay, that didn't work. 3, 2, 1.